What's up, everybody? Back at it with another video. So, look, listen. I came out of work probably like about an hour ago. Came out early. I have a week and a half of vacation again. So I'm just here and I'm thinking, my parts came in, my downpipes and my front mount. I have nothing to do today. My girlfriend's working. So, kind of didn't want to do it, but I think I'm going to do it. Let's install that front mount intercooler. I think I'm going to install that front mount intercooler, to be honest. Yeah, I'm going to do that today. I'm going to install the front mount intercooler today. And then hopefully later on we'll do the downpipes, because I heard that's annoying and it's real hard. But today's actually really good out, if you guys can see. It doesn't look that good, but today's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's like 53. So I know it sounds bad, but lately it's been like 20 degrees out. So now it feels like it's summer and you can actually be out here without, like, you know, freezing your hands off. So I decided, you know, let me take advantage of that. Put the front mount. It'll make the car look nice. And yeah. I just have to go run and get some stuff real quick, and then we'll be right back. And I'll show you guys how to install it. I heard it's pretty easy. Went on the website and looked at it and said it was like a 2-minute thing. Not even that 2 minutes, like probably like an hour thing, maybe. It's not that bad. But yeah, I'm back inside the BMW, you know, and the car is on right now. Here, let me show you. Inside the BMW, interior is nice and clean. I like this little M Sport. Interior is clean. Clean the car. Ooh. Doesn't look bad at all. Well, that was cool. You seen how it went from there to like, oh shoot. I'm really liking this wide lens on the iPhone 11. It's pretty cool. But the front mount's inside, so I'm just gonna go do what I have to do real quick. Get this car to the back so we can install the front mount intercooler. Okay, so the way I think I'm gonna go about this is I'm going to actually take off the front bumper. I know you don't have to do that, but I'm gonna take the front bumper off because I don't know, I just feel like it'll make it easier and I'll be able to actually physically see everything instead of just sliding it in and not knowing if it's secured. So I'm gonna take this off. Cool, and just like that, boom, front bumper is off. Okay, now we got a better look at the front mount intercooler. Okay, so I don't know if taking off that front bumper was a mistake or not, but as you guys can see, that's the original intercooler, and this is the aftermarket. It's the 7-inch intercooler. Now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna go about this and where and what I need to do. Okay, so the thing I'm kind of running into here is this here is in the way. Like when you have the bumper on, you can kind of still see it. And I'm looking at all these 335s online that don't have that there. When they put in the aftermarket intercooler, that's not there. And you can't see that. So it's like somehow they removed this area, yet that whole area is connected to this up here, which is connected to the headlight supports. So it's not like you can just remove that, because that holds up the radiator too, and that holds up the headlight supports, and that won't be able to screw it anywhere. So I'm just left to, I think they just cut this off. Also, the ambient air temperature sensor it's like right below, so like you kind of need that. So I'm just gonna cut that whole thing off. I guess that's how they do it, but it just gives it such a cleaner look, and it actually makes the car look good. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put the front mount in the trunk, go to the back, cut this off, install the front mount. Simple, easy, not even hard. Okay, so I got it. Let me just go bring this thing to the garage. You know, I don't really want to do this in front of anybody. I think the car looks pretty cool like that, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I've always liked that no bumper look. I'm gonna get a bash bar. I'm gonna make a custom bash bar. It's just gonna be crazy. Damn, I mean, I can't really see much, but no. Why is it focusing on there? All right, so for the most part, it's taken off. I took off the piece. There it is. I just need to get the front mount. And install it. Let me take down this one and then I'll put the other one up. It's nice and clear. You guys can't really see, but it's like super clear down there now. It's like here. Yeah, there you go. There's nothing in the way now. Made some clean cuts. Now I just gotta take off this front mount and install the 7-inch one. All right, so basically what it is this is your front mount, right? You're gonna take this bolt off. It's located right under. Then you're gonna want to, what else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, disconnect it from right under here. And it's gonna be the same thing on the other side.
The video just placed it right here. Beep. And then look how this one is just like.
That one does look a little bit. I don't know. It's like, is there any extra? Nah, there's no extra holes. This doesn't move forward. I got it mounted. And then this one looks like the bolt. I don't know. That bolt don't seem too secured in there. I'm gonna have to.
This right here.
Yeah. Got the intake, down pipe. Intake, charge pipe, blow off valve, lower charge pipe, and the front mount. So that's what the front mount looks. Gotta just put the bumper back on, and yeah, that's it. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this install video with the E92 335. I'm like super duper tired. I'm just gonna go home, wash up because I came out of work and just went straight to working on the car. The car looks amazing. I love it. Hope you guys like the video. I'll be back with more videos on it. I know I got a bunch of other stuff planned for it. We'll be installing downpipes, and then we'll also be installing the MHD. We'll be doing tune, all that. So you guys will be here through it, and we'll just do some like exterior parts after that. Once I got the power, do exterior parts, and then who knows where I go from there. Car shows, H2O is going to be amazing. Hopefully a new wrap for this. So don't forget, always comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of the video or all my other videos and what you guys would like to see more of. But like I said, I wanted this channel to kind of be more than just the cars and just a little bit of my daily life and stuff like that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will see you later.